Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Well, we're outside on the corner of the shop, standing between the house and the shop. And my garage, my driveway is right out front here. I have in my truck some sheets. You can see it right there in the back of the truck. Sheets of OSB, full sheets. Heavy, heavy, heavy. But I got to move them from there all the way down through between the house and the shop and off to the left here. And being a one-man shop, or actually a one old man shop, I got to do this by myself. It's not quite as easy as it used to be in the old days, but I do work a little smarter. I have two things that I use. I use this, and I did a video on this a while back. It's a little dolly I can put under one edge, or I can put it in the middle and balance the sheet. And I also have one of these, which is like a handle to be able to pick it up. If two guys each have one of these, you can put your plywood in here and you lift up on it with your hand on this bar, and the other two bars pinch so you can lift your plywood. Great little handle. I've had this for years. It's called J-Handles, jhandles.com, made in America. But these things have been very durable. So, and I keep this around because when you're moving the plywood, sometimes you got to pick it up and drag it. So, let's move that out here. Let's see how long it takes. Let's see if I can keep my breath going during that time. And hopefully this won't take too long, because otherwise you're going to catch yourself a death of cold out here. Woo! So let's go do this. I'll try to spin this as I move it from there around the corner and going down so you can kind of follow me. Then there'll be a little dead air time while I set the sheet down so I can come back up and grab the camera. And hopefully that'll be the end of this. Whew. So let's go do this. All right? Okay. Let's put it down a little further. And there we go. Now that it's centered, it's pretty easy to move it. Let me turn you. Okay. Now, we just get up to the gate. And there we go, all done. Well, I hope you like this. I have nothing more to say. So, if you like this video, you learned something, hit that like button. Thanks for stopping by, and come back again, because we know we're done. Except with the plywood. One sheet to go. Thanks. We'll see you again soon. Bye.